Welcome back, guys. There is a drawback in the quantitative methods of the soil enumeration, because in case of the plate method you have to apply some specific growth media, okay, and the main drawback is one single growth media, which is organic in nature most of the cases, cannot give birth or cannot help to produce autotrophic bacteria. Okay, so autotrophs cannot grow in an organic growth medium. Then there is another problem. Sometimes the bacteria, they don't have the favorable environmental conditions. Okay, like anaerobic bacteria. If you really want to isolate anaerobic bacteria, and if you apply the method of isolating the aerobic bacteria from the soil sample, anaerobic bacteria will never grow on that media under aerobic condition. So these are the main drawbacks of using the direct plate count. And there is also a drawback in using the dilution method as well, because if you make mistakes in preparing the dilutions, or if you don't calculate it properly, then there will be error occurs, obviously. So that is why there is another method, as I have already mentioned in my previous shorts, that is the microscopic method. But there is also a drawback in the microscopic method, because it really needs a very experienced personnel to carry out the microscopic method to enumerate the bacterial count of the cell. Because if you add excess amount of rose Bengal stain, then it will also stain some other particles of the soil. Okay, the soil particles also stain very fade or very light pinkish in color. So sometimes people understand that, oh, this is also a bacteria. Maybe it doesn't take the stain properly, but no, it's not the bacteria, because whenever you put the rose Bengal stain in a minimum amount, the bacteria will take the stain and they will stain as a dark pink, not fade. Dark pink or red in color, always. It's not like they will stain light pink or lightish in shade. It's not like that. So it also needs a very experienced personal technicians to do this type of methods to enumerate the soil sample to get the actual count. Thank you so much.